Yo, what's good, y'all? So this video, I don't know. I ain't really got nothing planned. No, I actually do, but I made the craziest. I probably say this the best that I've seen. I don't know. I haven't seen any better. But I've been working on a what's it called a trading journal because I felt like the reason I wasn't journaling as much is because the journals that I what's it called the free templates and stuff is just either they way too complicated or they just don't look good. They don't look pleasing. So it just kind of what's it called limits my want wanting to journal, if that makes sense. I don't know if that makes sense, and it's because I ain't made it. You feel me? So I feel like if I actually made my journal and from exactly make it exactly how I want it to be according to my standards, then I have no reason not to journal. You feel me? So basically, that's what I've been doing for the past 2 days. I mean, my head hurts bad because I was up late doing this. Um, Appreciate y'all for the everything I've been doing, liking, subscribing, all that stuff. Just continue to join my Discord. Really, join my Discord. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all right now though. The Mavs. All right, right here it is, right here. All right, so this is my trading Bible. I call it the Trade Bible. It's not done yet. I'm gonna let it out to y'all once it is done though. But yeah, this is it right here. I'm gonna show y'all that. But just keep on looking. Got this calm little background. We got this Trade Bible. Got this little quote right here. I mean, y'all could change it if y'all want to, but that's just me. That's what I like. That's what I do. I'm not done with this, by the way, y'all. You got this. This is my favorite Bible verse you find. Trading rules right up here. Y'all can change this as well whenever I release this out to y'all. To do list. Once you done, you can drag it around, put done or whatever. Y'all know. Y'all know. So yeah. I don't know what I'm trying to say. Then I got this verse of the day, Bible verse of the day. I feel like everybody should have the Word of God integrated in their lives every day. I got that right here. Then I just got this little. It's live. This is live as well. So it shows all the what's it called? Not all of them, but some of the markets right here. This little widget thing moves around. It looks pretty nice. This looks really nice on desktop, laptop as well. On phone, it might look a little bit crappy, but everything looks crappy on phone. Right here, we got this right here, the trading log. So right here, this is an example. Um, Say you come in here, you took a trade. Oh, what day was it? Today. What market? I traded the S&P. I'm just typing bullshit right now. I ain't gonna lie. Or if you trade forex, if you trade whatever you trade, direction, long or short, long. Press that. What day was it? Today is a Thursday. Shoot, Thursday. Uh, what time? Entry time. I'm just making stuff up. I ain't trade today. Enter that time. Result, win, lose. I'm gonna say, nah, I'm a winner. All right, and then risk to reward. Let's just say I caught a 5-1 P&L. Let's say I won. I made $5,000. Let's just say that. I'm just making stuff up right now, y'all. But yeah, this is a good way to log your trades, and then boom, you get the calendar view of it. Right here. Press that, and then you can also add new things and type and make comments about that if you want to. Let me go back. Dang it, I ain't meant to do that. Right here, this is the trading log. And I got this payouts thing. This is another example right here. We got the broker, the prop firm. If y'all use actual live, what's it called? Accounts, then just name the broker, the withdrawal amount. I put 300 times 5 because let's say you have 5 accounts and you do 300. It's 1,500. Commission, top step take like a 10%. So put the commission, then put the actual amount you made, and then withdraw total. Like I put right here, that means like let's say I would do 500 last time, and I would do 500 this time. So then the withdrawal total gonna be 1,000. You feel me? It's just gonna keep on stacking up. This is basically just gonna see how much you made over a period of time. Also, guys, you can let me see this. Go back to this. I forgot to mention this. You can also filter these out. Let's say you wanted to see every time you won. No, every time you lost. See, it's not gonna show none because obviously I don't have that much data. But let's say you want to see every time you win, it's gonna show all this data. Let's see. It's a lot of things you can filter. You just gotta play with it. Also I got this calculator for y'all, and it works too. It works. So let's say you want to put like you want to calculate something right here, like percentage or something. So like let's say you don't know the commission. So let's say you made $5,000, and then they took 10% of that. You want to times that point 10, point 1, 500. So then the commission is 500. So you just minus 5,000 minus 500, and that would be 4,500 that you actually made. So that would be right here total. But yeah, that's this part right here. Let me go back to journals. You got this biases. I'm still working on this, so it's not completely done. I just wanted to show y'all what I got going right now. Biases. We got this right here. I'll probably switch this around. All right, so just put your bias, and then yeah, bias. This is your bias, what you thought was gonna happen. Short, long, actually happened, and then result. Just put a little picture. Also, you can go into the calendar and type in anything else you want to type, whatever you know. Uh, I thought you type in anything you want to type underneath the same thing. But yeah, but yeah, that's pretty much what I got going right now. I mean, it's way better than it looks. It's gonna be way better. I got a whole bunch of things I gotta add still. I'm just trying to preview y'all. It's a little preview. Looks pretty nice too. Nice little verse today. Also, this updates daily. So once it's like 12, or like 11 my time, it's probably gonna update. It will update. Uh, y'all be able to change all the things. This, y'all probably not gonna be able to change this, but like y'all can change all this stuff. Y'all can change this little stuff right here. You probably can't change this, but like, you know, you can change all this stuff right here. Just some little motivation I put right here. But yeah, it's pretty solid right now. I got a couple more things to add. I'm finna work on the trades part. So like this, the actual trades that you took, and like your thought process, your all that. I'm finna add a psychology section. I'm finna add all that type of stuff. But appreciate y'all.